Hey guys, how's it going? Adrian back with you for another video. Just kind of want to show you what I've been up to for the last day and a half. I've been working on this extreme reno, as you can see, but it's had its fair share of hiccups. I'm going to admit that much. As you can see here, basically what we've been told to do is sister against each stud, knock out the mid blocks and sister against each stud. And basically what we're doing here is we're raising the ceiling height from an 8-foot ceiling to a 9-foot ceiling. So we were told just to push over that front wall, all brick and everything, and you would come back with the sons and clean all that stuff up. So it's the exact same thing that we did here. My buddy Ryan is helping me on this project. Basically, this is adding an extra 700 or 800 square feet on this property. The other day we built the garage in 2 sections, and we still have the front door. We've been told to leave this brick, clean this up, and do exactly what we did there. Just basically a sister against each, and then add the top plate stick framing. So we had to clear all these inside walls. So this house is probably 60, 70 years old, and as you can see, before they didn't use plywood. It was all tongue and groove with 10 penny nails. Just basically boards placed on the diagonal, no glue, which is surprising because there really isn't much any squeaks in this floor. What I was suggesting to the homeowner was to take it one step further and rip up this floor. I don't think he was into that idea too much, but we basically built a pony wall here, which we'll build our 9-foot wall on top of and lock it together. And this will be hardy board siding, and somehow they're going to run hardy board siding on that brick. What I was hoping to do was knock over that brick wall, and that was all go as of Friday afternoon. Came this morning, and I guess the siding guy had talked him out of it. So I figure that it's a much better product, and it actually would add square foot on your house if we do exactly what we did here and build out to the brick ledge and build a wall on top of that, instead of doing this job where you're basically building onto existing. And I'm not gonna lie, I have concerns about overall strength of this house. So that's good, that's not so good, but we'll do our best either way. My argument was that you can spend the $2,000 in material and OSB 7/16 gyprock, or you can spend the $1,800 to $2,000 in Tapcon screws and 1x4 to accommodate the hardy board siding. But something tells me, based on where we are right now, that I didn't get to him. But either way, I'm hoping to have all these walls and garage and this wall done by tomorrow afternoon, all leveled off, and the roof the following day. I think the roof will take about probably 2 days. It's a bigger roof than you would think. I think the biggest truss is 230 something pounds, so we're just trying to put our minds together and figure out whether it's a good enough idea to get a boom truck crane to do it in 2 or 3 single lifts, or whether we can do a straight hand bomb job on this. Problem with the crane is the power lines and this big tree, so access is a bit of an issue. But anyway, that's that. As of last week, I didn't even know I was going to be doing this job, but the custom that I'm going to got pushed back for the foundation guys. So I thought I'd do this job as a bit of a filler. But I will keep you guys updated. Take care, be safe, and try to stay dry. Take care. Bye for now.